Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data blocker. A data blocker is a small, simple device designed to protect your privacy and data security. When you plug your phone or tablet into a public charging port, there's a risk of unwanted data transfer. This handy tool physically blocks the data pins in your USB connection, ensuring only power flows through to your device, keeping your information safe. Understanding how a data blocker works is quite straightforward. A typical USB cable contains 4 pins, 2 dedicated for power delivery and 2 for data transmission. A data blocker acts as an intermediary adapter. When inserted, it physically severs the connection to those 2 data pins, effectively creating a charge-only cable. This simple yet effective mechanism prevents any data from being exchanged, offering robust protection. Knowing when to use your data blocker is key for optimal security. It is highly recommended to use one every time you connect your device to public charging stations, like those found in airports, cafes, or hotels. Additionally, if you ever need to charge from an unfamiliar computer or a shared power bank, a data blocker is your best defense. It safeguards against juice jacking, where malicious actors attempt to steal data or install malware. The benefits of using a data blocker are significant. Primarily, it provides peace of mind, allowing you to charge securely without worrying about data theft or malicious software. This physical solution requires absolutely no software installation or configuration, making it incredibly user-friendly. It is a small, inexpensive tool that offers a powerful layer of protection. Always keep one in your bag for secure charging wherever your travels take you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.